731 Echo Lane in Glenview. This is also part of the New Trier district. A lot of people don't realize that even though this is Glenview, there's a small section of Glenview that is part of New Trier, and all the kids go to New Trier High School. They also go to award-winning District 39, which is in Wilmette. Come on in and we'll take a look at the house after you. I'll tell you a little bit about the house. It was built and designed in 2007 by the architect owner for her own family. And you can see a lot of the really cool artistic design that she incorporated into this house. Things like the 10-foot ceilings, these beautiful windows, and again, all really high end. These are gel-wind windows with wooden frames. And you can just see what a nice open floor plan it is. There's a first floor office with these great pocket doors. All gorgeous hardwood floors. Recessed lighting. It's very open, so it's great for entertaining. You can always feel like you're part of the action. We've got the dining room here, living room here, kitchen. And from the kitchen, what I really like is the really sleek contemporary design, but then you can also see what's going on from the kitchen. So you can see if the kids are playing in the backyard. You can see if guests are in the backyard at the patio. The family room is right here. There's a great pantry area, tons of storage everywhere, gorgeous glass mosaic backsplash, and really pretty countertops. There's also a 5-burner oven and range. As I mentioned before, you're always part of the action in this house. So this is the family room with the breakfast bar opening up to the kitchen. Here we are on the second floor, and again, one of the things that I love about this house is that for $775, you're basically getting a brand new construction. It is such a gorgeous home. There's so many neat features. I mean, beautiful light fixtures. I love the sun that pours in through this skylight here, and this really beautiful staircase. As you walk into the master, you've got places where you can display art, and you've got a vaulted ceiling. Again, really great windows. You can see this beautiful blooming magnolia. This is a king-size bed. Over here, there's a nice walk-in closet. There's a couple other closets as well. There's one right by the front door, or sorry, by the door coming into the master. And then there's another one in the washroom as well. So I think you'll really like the private master suite with the double sinks and the big walk-in shower. One of the other nice things is that the master bedroom is set off apart from the other bedrooms. There's 4 bedrooms up here. Here's one of the bedrooms. All 4 bedrooms have beautiful vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, pendant light, and then all of the walk-in closets, and even this one that's not a walk-in closet has its own drawers and shelves. As we come into these bedrooms over here, you'll notice these gorgeous doors that go out, big walk-in closet, nice size room. And a special feature that they have is these safety locks right here so that kids can't go out on their own. But I really love this second-story balcony. Come out and take a peek. It's better than a tree house. Take a look at this nice yard. There's plenty of space for entertaining guests or a play set or kicking a ball around. And then of course we're only 1 block away from a 10-acre park with tennis courts, a field house, a playground, baseball diamond, and soccer fields. Let's take a look at the 4th bedroom. Here we are in the 4th bedroom, and as you'll notice, all 4 bedrooms have beautiful hardwood floors and these vaulted ceilings. And again, this 4th bedroom has the door going onto the 2nd floor patio. finished lower level is such a big bonus for the house because it offers so much space for just hanging out or entertaining. You've got a wonderful area over here with tons of storage for kids' toys and games. And then over here, you've got a whole media built in with lots of bookshelves, again, for books or music. So just a lot of really cool things. This is also a great space for out-of-town guests. There is a 5th bedroom and full bathroom down here as well. The laundry room is down here as well, and it's even a sunny room. So let's take a look. This is the 5th bedroom, and as you can see, it's a great space for guests. You can easily fit in a queen-size bed. There is an egress, so people can leave if they needed to leave during a fire. There's a big walk-in closet, and again, the full bath just down the hallway. And then even further down the hallway is their own recreation space where they can hang out. My clients are originally from Europe, and so they've had a lot of guests here who stay for 1 or 2 weeks, and they really love the fact that their guests feel like they've got their own flat. If you're looking for a place to relax and unwind, this is a fabulous backyard. It's fully fenced. It has a gorgeous bluestone patio, lots of bushes, flowering trees. These will all start to bud and really look gorgeous. There's a space for the grill, and as I mentioned before, you're only 1 block away from the park where a lot of kids like to play at the neighborhood park, or if you want to go for maybe just practicing your soccer goals, or maybe doing some hitting practice on the tennis courts. It's just a fantastic great resource. 2nd floor patio is up here too. Again, just a lot of really relaxing, beautiful, natural places to go in this home. Thanks so much for joining me at 731 Echo Lane in Glenview. As I mentioned before, this is the new Trier District, so you get the best of both worlds. Top-ranked public schools plus the lower Glenview taxes.